Today we are going to make a paper circuit. For this experiment, you will need copper tape, construction paper, a battery, tape, a marker, and gumdrop LEDs.
Using a marker or a pencil, draw the layout of your circuit. Leave spaces where you want your LED lights and battery to go. Place copper tape over the sketch of your circuit. Only leave gaps where you want your LED lights to go and your battery. Now it's time to place your LED lights. Keep in mind that your LED lights have a negative and positive side. Place all the LED lights in the same direction.
So Evelyn, now that we made the paper circuit, what do you think will happen if we put a battery right here?
We'll go up in the dark.
The light bulbs will glow up?
Yes!
If we put a battery right here?
Yes!
Let's find out.
Yes!
Moment of truth. They're glowing! What happens if you remove the battery? They stop glowing. Whoa.
So go up.
For you guys trying this experiment at home, make sure the positives are on the positive side and the negatives are on the negative side when placing the gumdrop LEDs. And Evelyn, if you put the negative side on the positive side, what happens? Ready? It doesn't glow. So make sure to face the battery the right way. And you see how the tape is all connected, Evelyn?
Yeah.
If there are any gaps, it won't glow anymore. So make sure it's all connected.
And
Now it's my turn to make a paper socket.
All right, Lauren, do you think this is gonna work?
I think it's going to work.
Do you think they're all gonna light up?
Maybe. I'm not so sure, but I hope they will all light up.
All right, let's see.
The moment of truth. Oh. What was that? Oh. Oh no! No.
it's not working.
Oh, it's not working.
Maybe I don't side.
I don't think it's working now. So unfortunately, my paper socket did not work. If this is your first time doing this, I suggest keep it simple. Thanks for watching. Bye! And good luck.
I'm good. Wait.
For this experiment, you will need construction paper, a battery,
I dropped it. I'm going to get it.
If at first you don't succeed, try again. Try again. Try again. You better clip that.